Good afternoon. My name is Ethan Baldwin, and I will be showing you a way to change a tire. First thing you want to do, say I'm in an empty parking lot. It's perfect. I don't need to turn on my hazard lights, or if it's dark and my hazard lights don't work, I don't need to turn on my headlights. So first thing I will do, I will press the emergency brake so my car won't roll while I'm jacking it up. And now I will pop off the cap. Now I will break each lug nut counterclockwise. At the angle, you don't want to in a circular motion. You want to do angle, 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 angle. Now that I've broken all the lug nuts, I will jack up the car. I have an older car. It's a 1988 Ford Crown Victoria. So I could jack my car up from the bumper. It has a little hook under the bumper, and I will lock it in place so it won't fall back down. And I will place the crowbar. When you jack it up, you want to stand to the side. You don't want to stand directly behind it because it could pop off and hit you. When you're fully off the ground, then you know you could change the tire. You want to slide it out slowly. Oh, see? You gotta jack it a little bit more. It's not fully off the ground yet. Now it's fully off the ground. Now I will go ahead and take off the rest of the lug nuts. Now I could just twist them off because I already broke them. If I had an air tool, it'd be a whole lot easier. Oh. Now that I have all the lug nuts off, I will remove the tire. grab the spare tire. You want to make sure that the bolts are lined up. Sometimes for me, comfortably, I have to sit down. I hand tag them all the way, and then I will use the crowbar and to tighten them up. Same way, tighten them up. You want to do them at different angles, because before you won't be able to, when you won't strip the bolt. Now that I'm tighten them already with hand tighten, I will tighten them up with the rest crowbar. Now that I finished tightening them, I'll put the hubcap back on. Now I will let the jack down slowly. Same procedure. You don't want to stand directly behind the jack, and you just press the lever down and slowly pump till it goes down.